So, this is activity 3 in OOP. The program is made up of many functions that work together to create the Dragon Adventure. My program is about Dragon Adventure. The first important function is the main function. This function is the starting point of the program and controls the flow of the game. It prepares the dragon, the map, and starts the game loop where everything happens. This is the map. This is the map. Without main, the other functions will not connect properly. The next important function is show dragon menu. This function lets the player choose to start a new game, load a save game, or quit. It is the first screen that the player sees and makes the program interactive. Without this menu, the player would not have control at the beginning. Show Dragon Real function is the one that shows the ASCII map on the screen. This one. It puts symbols for the dragon, enemies, and artifacts in their correct place. This makes the game look like a real adventure even though it is only text. It is important because it gives the player a clear picture of the world. Another big part is the move dragon function. This checks what key the player presses and changes the dragon's position. The program also uses Log Dragon event. The program also uses Log Dragon event. This function keeps track of messages like winning a battle or finding treasure. The log is shown to the player so they can follow the story. It makes the game more exciting because the player sees feedback for every action. Saving and loading are controlled by two important functions. The Save Dragon Adventure function writes the current game state into a file. It records the dragon's position, health, score, artifacts, and enemies. The Load Dragon function reads the file back and restores the game to where it left off. These two functions keep the game memory so the player can continue later. The Draw Dragon function shows health score and the list of artifacts already collected. It is like the status screen of the dragon. The player always knows how strong they are and what they have. The Clear Dragon Screen function helps to refresh the console before redrawing everything. This makes the screen look clean and not messy. Finally, the game loop is the function that ties everything together. It repeats again and again until the player dies or chooses to quit. Inside the loop, the game reads input, updates the map, checks event, and redraws the world. This function makes the adventure continuous and never-ending until the story is done. In conclusion, every function in this program has its own special purpose. Some are for moving and exploring, some are for battle and treasure, and some are for saving and loading. Together, they form a complete adventure where the dragon can live, fight, and collect. Without these functions working together, the ASCII world would not feel alive. The program shows how even with simple code, a fun and meaningful story can be made.